This is a whistling tea kettle. I got it to heat water for my tea that I drink throughout the day. It is made of stainless steel and holds up to 2.5 liters, easily serving a whole family or a party of 4 to 5 people. We use ours on an induction stove, but honestly, it can be used on any type of stove. The handle and lid allows you to handle the pot with bare hands without the risk of touching yourself with the hot pot. The shape and design makes lifting, pouring, and filling comfortable. Our household favorite color is blue, but there are so many other colors to choose from.